Apply this to your shoes and sprinkle them with this powder. From now on, you'll be able to wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite pair. This simple trick will make your shoes look like new. First, wipe your shoes with a damp cloth to remove larger dirt and debris, such as sand or mud. Apply toothpaste. Regular white toothpaste, without whitening additives, works great for freshening up the fabric and removing stains. Now it's time for baking soda. Baking soda has natural cleaning and odor neutralizing properties. Combined with the toothpaste, it creates an effective cleaning mixture. Wait a few moments until everything dries slightly. Place the shoes in the washing machine drum. But that's not all. Add a thick towel, preferably a terry cloth towel, to the drum. This is a very important step. The towel cushions the shoes and prevents them from banging against the drum. Choose the right wash cycle. A delicate cycle works best. The water temperature should not exceed 104 degrees Fahrenheit. After the wash, simply leave the shoes to air dry. Once they're dry, they'll look like they just came out of the store. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. Rub some oil on your shoes and they'll look like you just took them out of the box. Dirty shoes, especially the rubber soles, can be super frustrating, and cleaning them feels like a real challenge. But don't worry, there's no need to throw them out or buy a new pair. I've got a simple trick that really works. Grab a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has a gentle, abrasive effect, whitens the surface, and neutralizes odors. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Canola or sunflower oil works great. It softens grime and breaks down greasy stains. Now add a tablespoon of white toothpaste, just the plain kind, no gels or colors. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives and whitening agents. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Take a sponge and apply the mixture to the rough side. Scrub the dirty parts of your shoes thoroughly. You'll see the difference right away. The soda lifts the dirt, the oil dissolves the grease, and the toothpaste brightens the surface. Your shoes will shine like new. No need for expensive products or replacements. This simple method brings your shoes back to life, clean, fresh, and ready for your next step. Don't throw away your dirty shoes. 1 simple mixture and the soles will be white again. Pour hydrogen peroxide into a bowl, add dish soap, toothpaste, and a little tap water. Mix everything well. Wipe the soles of your shoes with the mixture, and the dirt will quickly start to disappear. Your shoes will look like new. Pour salt into your shoes. More and more people are doing this for one very important reason. Let me explain why it's worth trying. Take the shoes you wear most often. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into each shoe. Salt has natural hygroscopic properties. Shake the shoe a little to distribute the salt evenly inside. Leave the prepared shoes overnight. This part is very important. The salt needs time to work, but that's not all. The next day, thoroughly vacuum or shake out the salt from inside the shoes. Now, here's why this method matters. Salt absorbs moisture, which creates an environment for bacteria to grow. That's the main source of unpleasant odors. By adding salt, you remove the problem. It's a simple, cheap, and effective way to keep your shoes fresh. A woman working in a dry cleaners revealed to me a secret that makes old, stained shoes turn snow white in just a few minutes. Dirt disappears from the shoes faster than you can notice. White shoes often collect mud, dust, and tough stains that penetrate the material and are hard to remove with ordinary cleaning, but this method handles them instantly. Take a glass container and add white toothpaste, which acts as a gentle cleaner and helps remove dirt and discoloration from the surface. Add a generous amount. Next, pour in half a cup of dish soap, which dissolves grease and grime, making it easier to lift dirt from the shoe. The next ingredient is baking soda, which works as a mild abrasive and helps remove even stubborn stains. Add 1 tablespoon. Another ingredient is vinegar, which aids in dissolving dirt and boosts the effectiveness of the mixture. Add 1/3 of a cup. Then add a little water and mix thoroughly until you have a uniform cleaning paste. Now dip a cloth into the mixture and wipe the shoes carefully. The dirt will start coming off almost immediately. The surface becomes noticeably brighter and the material regains a fresh look. Finally, let the shoes dry, and they are ready to wear, looking and feeling like new. The shoes regain their snow-white color, appear fresh and clean, as if straight from the store, giving the impression of a completely new pair. You need to toss this little ball into your Converse if you want them to stay bright white. It's not only an effective way to freshen them up, but also a real money saver. Start with a glass bowl. Add 2 cups of baking soda. It works as a natural bleach and odor neutralizer. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt. The third ingredient is hydrogen peroxide. 1 tablespoon is enough to add its whitening and antibacterial properties to the mix. Stir everything well until you get a thick paste. Shape small balls from the mixture using your hands. Once ready, let them dry. After drying, store them in a glass jar. That way they'll always be ready when your sneakers need a refresh. To use, take a plastic bowl, place your shoes inside, and pour in warm water. Drop in one of the balls. You can rub stains directly with it. Leave the shoes with the ball for a few minutes to let the ingredients do their job. Finally, scrub the shoes with a soft brush. The result? Your Converse will look like new. Don't pack your shoes like that if you don't have shoe bags or anything else to wrap them in. Take them out. There's a zipper in the lining of the suitcase. Unzip it and put the shoes in there. The lining material will protect your clothes from getting dirty. Zip it up and now start packing the clothes you need to take, and that's it. Everyone must put this leaf into their shoes. The reason is very important. Combining shoes with a bay leaf has as many as 2 great uses. I found out myself recently, and I really regret that it was so late. Take regular bay leaves, then put them into your shoes. 1 leaf for each shoe. It's best to leave it in them overnight. The shoes will smell beautiful. Additionally, the bay leaf perfectly absorbs sweat. Its scent also repels bugs. Do this with the shoes you wear most often, but you can also do it with the shoes you wear less frequently and are in the closet. That way, you will avoid unpleasant odors in the closet. As for the second matter related to the bay leaf and shoes, if you keep the leaf in your shoes, only good energy will rule over you. Happiness will flow upon you. This quick and easy trick will make a regular kitchen spice take on new functions.